Welcome to Raaonline. Today I will be talking about development of the ear. We have to remember that the ear develops, the external, middle and inner ear develop separately, and the development of the internal ear happens even before birth. So looking at it phylogenetically, the aquatic organisms, the internal ear is well developed, but there is no external or middle ear seen. As the evolution happened, the amphibious organisms, we had the middle ear which had developed, and in terrestrial animals and mammals, we have the external ear which was formed. So the external ear develops from the first ectodermal groove. So you know that as the organism develops, we have the ectoderm, endoderm and the mesoderm which develop in sync. The external ear develops from the first ectodermal groove and the middle ear from the first endodermal pouch. The inner ear develops from the otic placode, which is an ectodermal thickening. And we have to remember that the inner ear development is completed at birth, whereas the external and middle ear development happens even after birth. External ear. So it develops from the branchial apparatus formed from the pharyngeal tube. Each branchial apparatus has the arch, which is formed from the mesoderm, a cleft, which is a depression formed from the ectoderm, and the pouches between the arches which are formed from the endoderm. So this is how the pinna develops. So we have 6 hillocks of His, which are basically mesenchymatous tissue, which is first seen at 6 weeks of development. And this arises from the first and second arches around the groove. So this is the first branchial groove, and you have the mesenchymatous hillocks of which are here, and this develops from the first and second arches. At 7 weeks, they fuse to form the primordial auricle, as it is seen here, and this then ascends cranially and dorsally to a place where it is now. So this is how the pinna develops. We have the first hillock which forms the tragus, the second and the third which forms the helix, the fourth which forms the antihelix, and the sixth which forms the antitragus. Looking at the middle ear development starts at the 3rd week, where there is an external ectodermal migration towards the endodermal layer. So if you look at it, these are the mesodermal cells, and this is the neural crest and the first pharyngeal pouch. So this migrates towards the endodermal layer. At the 4th week, the first pharyngeal pouch approaches the first groove to form the tubotympanic recess, which forms the eustachian tube.